This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a drop-down menu in Google Sheets. Please make sure that you click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you can be notified when I publish videos in the future. Here I have a small spreadsheet with a list of names and a cell or a column for picking a shirt color and a shirt size. If I want to make this easy for the people with whom I'm sharing this file, I can create drop-down menus for the shirt color and the shirt size. What you do is you select the cells that you wish to use in or with the drop-down menu, and then you select data. Then go down until you see data validation. When you click this, you will get a box. You've already selected your cell range, and in the criteria, you're going to click this box of options and select list of items. And then in this box, you can write your shirt colors or whatever criteria that you're using on your spreadsheet. So I'm going to put red, blue, green, and yellow. This box right here says show drop down list in the cell, so you can just keep that checked. And if a person decides to type something different, you can either give them a warning or you can reject what they put in there. If you want to add help text, maybe you want something to appear when they hover over the cell, you can select this. I'm going to deselect that for now. So I'm going to click save, and now you see that I have drop-down menus here. So all Bob has to do is come here, press the arrow, and select his color. But let's say that he decides he's going to put orange in the box. Notice that there is a warning that appears. There's a warning and it says input must be an item on the specified list. So he will see that warning if he puts in the wrong color. So you can do that same thing for the shirt size. Select your cells and then go to data validation, and it's already selected. Here for the cell range, select list of items and put small. Having trouble typing. Small, medium, large. And the same thing, you can select what happens when you put in invalid data. Let's say that I put reject input here and select save. And then let's say that I type rabbit here. What's going to happen? It totally rejects it. So for something like this, you might actually want to have Google Sheets reject an invalid size because you don't want someone to write or type something that you won't have available. So let's say that Bob wants a red shirt and he wants a medium shirt. A medium red shirt. That's all he has to do. And after you have shared this with everyone, they can go ahead and input the shirt size and color. And then all you have to do is take that data, do what you need to do with it, and go on with your day. So this is how you create drop-down menus in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel so that you can be made aware of when I publish videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.